There are some beach days in the forecast, but right now dozens of local beaches are closed. The state says in some cases bacteria levels are just too high for swimming. WBZ's Paul Burton has more on how you can find out where it's safe to swim.
On a beautiful day like this, beachgoers say they would love to take a dip, but this one here at Savin Hill is one of dozens that have been deemed unsafe by DCR due to high bacteria levels, making it frustrating for people who are trying to cool off. The no swimming signs are posted, but it's still tempting for beachgoers at Savin Hill to test the waters.
That's a bummer.
Pretty frustrating.
Mass Department of Public Health, working in conjunction with the Department of Recreation and Conservation, have deemed more than 60 beaches and water locations throughout the state closed due to high bacteria levels.
No, I didn't know that, and I think it's pretty gross, and I won't get in the water.
DCR calls it excessive bacteria, and they're conducting weekly water quality tests to count bacteria levels. DPH has posted signs warning people not to swim to avoid risk of illness.
I wish the beach were open more days.
Michael Campbell has lived in the area for 18 years and is not surprised, which is why he's keeping his family at water's edge.
We just were telling him, we're going to wash our hands if we're playing before we eat anything, or keep our heads out of the water, trying to let him still have some fun.
Trevor Hawkins is being extra careful with his dog, Scout.
Knowing that there's high levels of bacteria in the water is definitely keeping us out. And being cautious with her going in. She doesn't really go up, past knee level, and we usually rinse her off over the showers.
Morgan Ronska wishes the no swim signs were more noticeable.
The only reason I know is because I work at a Boys and Girls Club, so we go on field trips to state parks and things, so I have to look up to see if we're able to swim.
Meanwhile, folks are making the most of this incredible weather.
Yeah, it's just a little frustrating when it's really hot outside and you want to cool off, but it's still nice to get out and enjoy the breeze.
The Department of Public Health says they will continue to publish and update daily a list of beach closures so the public is fully aware of which locations are safe to swim in. In Dorchester, I'm Paul Burton, WBZ News.